Alright, everyone. We have a cat toy that just came out for no reason. Since you're over there, I can make the REM pod turn on. Can you do that again with the cat toy at least? Can you please make the REM pod or cat toys turn on again? Wow. Okay. Is there a reason you don't like the REM pod? Because I know it works. I've tried it several times. Okay, I'm gonna go over here a little ways. Give you some distance. Maybe that's it. Maybe you feel crowded. I don't know. Can you make another little cat toy turn on for me? There's some stuff in there for you to look at. I don't know if you have any interest in any of it. Can you make one little cat toys turn on again? Can you make the REM pod turn on? Is there something about the cat toys you like over the REM pod? Okay. Well, thank you very much. All right, I'm going to give you a few seconds if you want to turn on anything else again for a few. Okay. I'm going to give you 10 seconds. How's that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10.